very warm, heartfelt welcome to each one of you to this meaningful evening on the eve of World Plastic Surgery Day 2025.
You would be surprised to know the seed of the Plastic Surgery Day was sown here in India itself. So it started as an Indian Plastic Surgery Day. Now it is celebrated all over the world, Plastic Surgery Day.
Mostly aesthetics and even the skin quality, acne scars. Suddenly men have also realized that these can be corrected. I think this is a realization.
Previously, like men used to be going only for the hair transplants. That was their go-to this thing. The only thing they would be conscious about was having a bald patch, and they thought that made them look old. Nowadays, no, that is not the trend.
As far as the safety is concerned, the safety for any procedure depends upon the three factors. First is the patient-related factors. Third is the surgeon-related, who is going to perform. And third is the environment where the surgery is going to be performed.
बाई गॉड मैं बता रही हूँ, मैंने ट्रायल रूम में स्लिम फिट मेंस जीन्स कैसे करते हैं, बिल्कुल स्टॉकिंग्स की तरह, जैसे लेदर पैंट्स पहनो ना गर्मी में चिपक जाए, बिल्कुल स्टॉकिंग्स की तरह, बड़ी मुश्किल से.
Hi, this is Anshul and today we were celebrating World Plastic Surgery Day at Artemis Hospital. There were a lot of insights which were shared. Like one of the very main insight was that it started from India and there are some myths that got cleared in the panel.
Today I attended this insightful and enrichful session by renowned plastic surgeons and gynecologists focused on body wellness and myths around beauty. And the show ended up on a laughter note and I had the best session ever had. I'm looking forward to come again to Artemis Hospital.
Hi guys, so I had attended this event of World Plastic Surgery Day 2025 and I had such an amazing experience listening to the doctors and all our panel people. It was an amazing experience. The kind of question I always had on my mind has been answered today and a lot of clearance I have got about plastic surgery, about dermatology, about aesthetic.
Thank you so much Artemis for inviting this for this beautiful session and बहुत सारे myths थे जो कि clear हुए हैं and doctors का session was amazing और काफ़ी knowledgeable रहा और plastic surgery जो एक टैबू बना हुआ है कि ऐसे नहीं करना वैसे नहीं करना, डॉक्टर्स ने बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली और बहुत ही अच्छे से उस चीज़ को समझाया है एंड आई थिंक वी शुड लुक दिस फॉरवर्ड. थैंक यू सो मच आर्टेमिस.
Hello friends, today we hosted an event here which was the World Plastic Surgery Day and it was a very nice insight when we interacted with the influencers, the people around us and getting an insight of what actually they think about the cosmetic surgery, the dermatology, the products and what is available in the market.
And on the occasion of World Plastic Surgery Day, so we have organized this small event called New Age Aesthetic and Cosmetic Surgery. We have invited all the fashion influencers to educate them about the cosmetic and aesthetic procedures. So we have educated them about the myths which are there in the market and burst few myths also. And it was a wonderful event and we've got a very good response from everyone. Thank you.